Hello and welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and today I'll be showing you how to style a few DIYs in an elegant summer tablescape. And if this is something that you'll be interested in, stay tuned. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. Now it's time to start styling. And if you're watching and you're not a part of the Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it'll turn blue, and you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. Now you may be wondering, if you're coming from one of the other ladies' channel, what does the Glam Queen of DIY do here on this channel? The name says it all. I do glam high-end home decor DIYs. If you know that is something you're interested, please subscribe. Also share the channel with your family and friends. We truly appreciate it. Now this was part of a collaboration, and it was the Summer Garden Tea Party. And this is the second annual collaboration. Now this collaboration is hosted by none other than Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle, co-hosted by myself, Glam Queen of DIY, co-hosted by Glamour Ellen and Andrea Mason, the Queen's Court. If you're not a part of any of these wonderful ladies' channel, please go over and subscribe. Make sure you let them know the Glam Queen sent you. Alright, my fabulous family, let's get right back into the styling of this Summer Garden Tea Party second annual tablescape.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. I Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Make sure you go over and subscribe to Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle, Glamour Ellen, and Andrea Mason, the Queen's Court. Check out the other participants' video as well. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in the next upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.